Hola, buenos dias. Hi, guys. Welcome to week 5. Today is the 10th of February. And let's take a look at the preview of week 5. So this week, you guys are going to be going over the regular AR verbs, conjugation. That's in your books. I want to talk immediately about the VHL Supersite. I'm having a real issue with it now, and I'm not sure why. There's some issues, so I'm trying to get that taken care of. Until then, let's take a look at the repaso, and you are going to be turning in a page of the repaso. Some of it we're going to do together, and some of it will be done on your own. But if you take a look at that page, which is page 17 of the packet, course packet, some of this stuff we'll do together, but I'm going to give you some pages that I want you to do. And what I'd like you to do is be working through it, okay? Be working through it. Tomorrow I'm going to send you a video. And probably over here, we'll go ahead and create some sentences together. Hopefully they'll make things clearer as far as the conjugations are concerned. But I'm definitely going to want to get you guys to turn this into me by Friday. I will decide specifically what page. I'll probably send out a video or an email tomorrow to you guys. All right. So with that said, let me go back to the week. On week 5 here, we have this tutorial. You really want to look at this. Will help you with the conjugation of regular AR verbs. The verb estar, you want to have this. You absolutely want to get this conjugated. This is a video. You can just take this, copy and paste it into YouTube or your browser and watch the video. It helps. Here's a little to-do over the conjugation of regular AR verbs. This is very helpful. Nice little video.
Writing's not that easy.
So we don't need to see the commercial. And then you have the oral video presentation. The oral video presentation. Also, meanwhile, you want to be, staying on top of the. You want to stay on top of the vocab, because on this there is a lot of vocab. There is a ton of it. By the way, your test grades are all submitted now, but on this chapter test, and I'm going to give you a whole rundown at the beginning of the week. The test will be submitted so you can take it anytime during the week, but it's due, of course, by Friday at 3 o'clock. This Chapter 2 test is going to be over. I get my book. Obviously, the verb estar will be there, the conjugation of regular AR verbs, and the vocabulary. That is the primary focus. Oof. That will be the primary focus. Now, if you take a look at page 32 in your textbook, this has the explanation of the conjugations. It's very clear. Also, if you take a look at the very first page of the chapter, well, pages, you have the vocab. You want to stay on task with this, okay? Go over a little bit every day. Those verbs that I present on page 32, those are also part of the vocab. I could ask you in the vocab section, I could say, how do you say to draw? And you'd write dibujar. All right. If you look at page 36 in the textbook, this has the conjugation of the verb estar, which is very important. And it shows you the uses of the verb ser and the uses of the verb estar. You want to know those. I'm going to give you a section on this chapter test of ser and a section over estar, and you'll see the differences. The numbers, there will be a section. 1 through 100, not just 31 through 100, but 1. I might give you 15. You got to know quince. So be studying those. Know those numbers well. And then, of course, the vocabulary on page 44, which includes those verbs, you want to be very solid on those. I'm going to try to get the VHL Supersite up and running again. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm a little confused, but I'm working on it, okay? You guys have a wonderful day. Hope to talk to you soon.